KGB. In the mysterious world of espionage during the Cold War, there was one name that sent shivers down my spine: KGB Intelligence Service. The device was known for its ruthless efficiency and secret operations. He was skilled at disguise and deception. It was founded in 1954 after the death of Joseph Stalin. It continued until the collapse of the Soviet Union in 1991. From infiltrating foreign governments to organizing secret missions, the scope of the KGB was unparalleled. Every whisper and every secret was carefully captured to protect the interests of the Soviet Union. The agents were working in the dark. They integrate seamlessly into communities. They create complex webs of conspiracies. Their loyalty was unyielding, and their tactics unparalleled. One of the most important of them, Philby, a member of the famous Cambridge Five. He succeeded in spying for the Soviet Union while working for the British Intelligence Service. Aldrich Ames, CIA agent who spied for the KGB and exposed several American agents. The KGB was active in stealing technology and scientific information from the West, which contributed to the technological progress of the Soviet Union. Influence operations. The KGB attempted to influence the domestic and foreign policy of other countries through covert support for communist parties and revolutionary movements. Suppression of opposition. Inside the KGB, responsible for monitoring, imprisoning, and repressing political opponents and activists. Fear and respect follow the mere mention of the KGB, and behind the Iron Curtains, they maintained an iron grip on the flow of information. As the Cold War intensified, KGB operations intensified to shape the course of history from the shadows. The legacy of their covert operations continues to resonate throughout time.